Alright guys, it's time for another video with the Firelight MS4024. Whoa, hold on. A board? What? Wait a second!
Oh, hey YouTube, I didn't see you there.
What's going on?
So, yeah, David's at my house.
That's right.
Ugh.
So, let me open up 4024. We got the Firelight BG10.
Are you doing a video on that now?
I'll do all of them.
Oh, I thought you were just gonna do the Census scan system. Just because. Oh, you do whatever you want, I don't
Okay.
care.
So, system is normal because we took the jumper out that monitors the batteries. We have a 2400 thermal.
TH.
What's the model of this again?
It's a Wheelock EL1, but it's rebranded by Pyrotronics. I think it's like an EHO 24S, I think.
Right.
Yeah,
So,
that's the model number. And then
This is doing continuous.
there's a BG10 with an SB10 back box for the pull
Yep.
station.
If you have epilepsy, do not watch this. Here we go.
God, that thing's loud.
Yep.
Here, I'll test the smoke. Or do you want to test the smoke detector?
Sure.
Here's a screwdriver. I'll reset that for you. I got it.
Here, we'll use your
Hey, hey.
smoke saber.
Here.
Here, we'll use smoke saber.
Okay.
Alright. I like this stuff.
Don't I need to...
Huh? Nope. It's alright. Hold on.
Alright. I'm still learning how to use this panel.
Yep.
Not bad.
We'll see if it'll go off.
It'll go off. It just takes a few seconds.
Yeah. Alright.
So now...
Hold on. Nope. That'll set the alarm off again. See?
Oh yeah, you're right. So
reset. Okay. Let go.
And then...
Yep. There you go. Perfect.
The detector is going to go back into alarm probably.
Well, you know what? I'll disable it just in case.
Will it be able to go off?
No, it'll just
Is it isolating the zone?
correct.
But can the detector still activate technically?
Yes. It just won't set the AVs off. Firelight MS5UD with agent release NBG12LR.
Yeah.
Okay. 425120. The FCI MS2. System sensor I3.
UNHU something. It's so basically what that is, this is an older Siemens Hornstrube from like the 90s. And no, it's a continuous horn, it's not multi-tone, but it's a rare model because not only is it white, but also it is syncable. It works with a Faraday sync on the panel, so it will be doing code 3.
Right. We got our good friend here, the Advance P2RK. As you can see, that's widespread.
Can I have the keys real quick?
Oh, what's it? What do you?
Actually, no, I got
What
it.
pull station do you want me to do?
Whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna...
We'll do the FCI MS2. There you go. You heard correctly. This is doing march time. This is on audible silence. So now we can go ahead and reset the FCI MS2. And hey, why not? See if I can find my notifier key. There it is. Alright, give the system reset. And I gotta wait for the battery trouble. There we go. Moving on to the Census Scan 2000. This is a really big panel. This is awesome in my opinion. Got the power supply, got the two batteries. Up here we have a Simplex 4903 9238 110 candela strobe. This system is doing March time. Frank, what's the model of this again?
That's a Honeywell SC806 D1024 remote strobe.
Yeah.
It's a Honeywell rebranded WST24 remote strobe.
Right. Then the 2100, which I gave Frank last year, Simplex 2099, and the SEI MS6.
Oh, also, I finally took out the 2400, showed them the other detector.
Oh, yes. And we also have this ESL detector.
521B, I think, is the model.
Yeah, something like that. All right.
Actually, yeah.
Moving on over here, we still have the bilingual T-bar. 2099, 9201.
2098, 92.
2098. Why do I keep saying 2099?
That's probably because of the pole station.
Yeah. And this is my favorite thing on the system. Frank, you want to tell my subscribers a little history about this alarm?
Okay, so my subscribers already know about it, but so basically there's this video by Simplex Tech. He was an old fire alarm technician YouTuber back around in 2007 to 2010. And a lot of us who are in the community now grew up watching him. And he has a video called Simplex 4005 Fire Alarm Testing.
Correct.
And it's a school filled with 4251s, and it's filled with 9833s, and it's filled with 2903 light plates.
I'm sure most of you have seen this
Yeah,
video.
most of you have seen this video. Well, there's a unit in there. The first 2903 he comes across. This is actually that same exact unit from that building. The first one you see, you can click on the video. David will probably leave a link in the description.
And guys, we're not BSing you. This was confirmed by multiple people.
This has been confirmed by Simplex Tech himself. So this is that he actually removed these alarms from that system. And this is the first one. You can actually go and do a sound comparison. They sound identical. So,
we're gonna go ahead.
let me just put on my wait. I just need ear protection first.
Oh yeah. We'll go ahead and pull the bilingual.
Do you know the model of that? It's a 2099, 91, 22C.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll look. Here we go. So everything's set to March time. And yes, the strobe on this device works. I just didn't wire it up because I wasn't paying attention.
Hour support.
Oh, here, I got it.
I got it. All right.
It is a...
Can I pull the MS7
Hold on.
or MS6?
2099 9122 CB.
Oh, CB. Okay.
And I'm going to go ahead and pull the MS6. Did you say you wanted to do that?
If you want to pull it, it's fine.
Oh, alright.
Okay, if you're listening to the march time on this and it sounds mildly wonky, the panel has really kind of crappy relays, and the
That's
code
for damn
3 and the march time are kind of weird. The typical like standard march time is 120 beats per minute. The relay on this panel only allows us to do 110 beats per minute. So it's a little slower, but it's nothing crazy. It is noticeable though. And then the code 3 is a little wonky too, but it's not, I think the code 3 sounds a little bit better than the march.
We're going to go ahead and do that one more time.
You gonna do the detector?
Frank already reset the pull station. Yes. Where's the smoke saver? Here
Right
it
over
is.
there, I think. I need to order more of that. Just test it.
Alright, guys. Here we go. And this remote annunciator is not wired up. Good song. We'll go ahead and reset the system. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.